value-added tax and indirect tax imposed on domestic consumption of goods and services is practiced in developing and developed economies with the target of generating more revenue for a particular country. The rate in Nigeria has been operational at 5% for over 25 years. The renewed plan by the federal government to increase it by 50% to 7.5% is what these Nigerians are reacting to.
Why should we not have light, for Christ's sake, in this century? It's not about taxing. When government look right and left, they will just put body on the poor people that are already suffering. What's it known to us? Hardship is creeping in and it's dipping in, and once you get there, you remove the ladder to hell with every other person. That is what our government is doing. We don't need increment in tax.
For these experts, Albert Folonsho, the challenge is not the VAT payments, but the input and output mechanism.
The tax devolves in successive stages, okay, such that at the end of the day, it is the consumer that pays the tax. Okay, it is an input-output mechanism process that is put in place such that when you buy to sell, you pay VAT at the point of buying. When you sell, you charge VAT at the point of selling, so that at the end of the day, it is the net difference between your output VAT and your input VAT that you pay to the tax authority. That is how VAT should normally operate. But in Nigeria, we have a little bit difference in the fact that some input VAT are not deductible.
To limit the impact of the increase, they call for reduction in personal income tax and the company income tax.
Yes, the personal income tax, for me, I believe the rate can also be amended a little bit lower, so that, because it is only the people that are paying that will continue to pay. So if you reduce their burden, they will be able to justify why the increase on the consumption tax, the indirect tax, should be applied.
As the federal government plans to amend the VAT Act and increase revenue from taxation by 3 trillion naira in 2019, tax experts stress the need for proper application of VAT as it's applicable in other countries. Nkiru Nwokedi, AIT News, Lagos.